One. Hop back in, Mason. Hang on tight, you ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. Here, I need to do a better pulling you. We do a better job pulling you. Hop back in, Mason. We'll try it one more time. Alright, can you see okay? Alright. Ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Hang on. Yeah? Come here, I'll chuck you in the snow again.
I want that snowball.
Come here, I'll give it to you.
That snow's probably as tall as you are.
I fell.
You want it, Mason? Come here. Come over here, I'll give it to you.
Mommy.
Donovan, are you in the snow?
Huh?
Stand up. Ready, bro?
Ready.
Now hang on to it. Turn around. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Are you stuck? Donovan only put knit gloves on today, but that's better than nothing, which is usually what he wears. Today's April 16th in Boulder, Colorado, and that's how much snow we got. And one day it'll be spring, but not today.
Hey, Mom.
Hey, Mason.
It's like you gotta get it packed first. All the stuff on top is too powdery to make a snowman.
Well, scrape off the top few layers, and then we'll make a snowman. This is our last chance. It'll be the last snow, I'm sure of it.
Like this snow right here is good for it.
Oh, then that's a perfect place for a snowman, I think. Here's our table. That's how much snow we got.
There.
Hey, get Daddy with a good snowball. Look at Daddy's snowball, Mason. Do you see Daddy's snowball? This is the happiest Donovan's been for the longest amount of time in the snow.
Mason, can I throw my snowball at you? Can I throw my snowball at you?
Yeah.
That's a brave kid.
I've got a bunch of snow down my neck from that crazy tree. Need some help? 1, 2, 3. Whoa!
It's cold.
Don't touch the snow.
It's cold. Are you stuck? Donovan, do you have a snowball? Snowball!
He's loving it. Look at him.
Cold.
Hold on.
Oh, I think my camera's sideways. Oh well.
Cold. You got snow in there.
Donovan, what do you have? Snow. Snowball!
It's frozen water.
Are you stuck?
Oh, my shoe.
Well, hang on.
Is it coming off?
Probably. Is it back on?
Hey Mason, plop in the snow. If you can stand up. Are you stuck? Uh-huh. Do you need help?
You want me to pick you up?
Oh, I think there's a giant in the snow. Ah!
I don't get it. What's that for? Want a snowball? Look at all this snow we got.
Let me pick up snow. Ew.
Go for it. Is that mom up there?
Are you having fun, Mason? Can you see? Daddy's hat is covering his eyes.
Mason, you want some help with your hat? Yeah. Is that better?
Hey Mason, what are you doing?
Shoveling.
Wow.
He's a good helper.